Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So, आज की video is an interesting video. It's a huge handbag haul from Amazon, and I'm not kidding when I say huge. I have this is such a big bag. Okay, we have these also. So when I said it's gonna be a big haul and review also, because as you can see मैंने कुछ भी नहीं खोला है, and I actually wanted to invest in some nice bags, So on the price range, they are between 700-800 से start है, 2500 तक की range में है ये. But I'm telling you, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे reviews पढ़ के और अच्छे अच्छे brands से मैंने order किया है, because all of these brands are like prime brands और काफी मस्त discount पे available था Amazon पे. So yeah, in this video we're gonna see if the price that I paid is actually worth and if you should spend that kind of money or not. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so I have my scissors here. Let's start with the small packet. Okay, so I have like really high expectations from this because this is like a dupe of a designer bag that I have been eyeing. ये मेरी wish list में by the way बहुत time से है Amazon पे. Packaging is really nice, you guys. Okay, I'll tell you. This is how the bag looks like. This is a brand tag. We have like gold hardware detailing here. Let me show you the best part. It's the strap of this bag. How cool this is, right? This is such a smart bag. Oh my god, you guys. लुक एट दिस. मैं आपको ना इसको ऐसा हैंग करके भी दिखाऊंगी. आई रियली लाइक इट. जस्ट वन थिंग विच आई थॉट, जो मैंने नोटिस नहीं करी शायद डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ते हुए, ये जो इसका बॉटम पार्ट है ना, इट्स बॉटल ग्रीन एंड आई थॉट इट वुड बी ब्लैक बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी द स्ट्रैप हैज अ ब्लैक डिटेलिंग. बट ऑनेस्टली आई डोंट माइंड दिस. इट्स गिविंग इट some kind of character. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. It looks amazing, and this detailing especially, it's gorgeous. I mean, I'm gonna try it and put the try on screen, but I'm really impressed with the quality. The strap, जो इसका strap है ना, look यहाँ पे ये leather है. It's not like cheap material strap at all, and the best part is it's removable. You can use this strap in so many of your other bags too. It's adjustable, तो तुम इसको ऐसा लंबा भी कर सकते हो. बट आई थिंक ये जो थिक स्ट्रैप्स होते हैं ना, वो थोड़े छोटे में ही बेटर लगते हैं. बाय द वे, गर्मियाँ स्टार्ट हो गई है अहमदाबाद में, एंड यू माइट सी मी स्वेटिंग. ओके, आई स्टिल हैव टू गेट एन AC फिक्स्ड इन दिस रूम. It's getting really hot, but let's open it. All right, this is our next bag. I was very excited for this one. First of all, look how beautiful the color is. It's like blush pink and it's from a brand called Lino Perros. I don't know if you've heard of it, but this is like one of the good brands, when it comes to bags. And ये काफी मस्त discount पे available था. Look at the logo. It's LP and it looks so good, you guys. Wait, इसके अंदर हम strap देखते हैं कैसा आया है. Oh my god, look at this. This is so cute. जिसका चेन है वो भी इसी ब्लश पिंक कलर में है. I think this is like such a cute bag. I wish ये मुझे वो बारबी मूवी जब आई थी तब मिला होता. I would have carried it so well. Look at this, how cute it's looking. I'm gonna again show you the proper try on. I think I'll change this dress for the try on because this is not like a neutral color that I'm wearing. I would want to wear like something black or white to show you all the bags, and this looks amazing. The quality is amazing. It's of course faux leather, but the this quilting detailing going on here is really good. The MRP is 3295, almost 3300, but we have gotten an amazing discount. And this comes with like so many compartments. One, then the side pockets, the second one. एंड यहाँ पे साइड में आपको जिप भी मिल रहा है. So that's pretty great. Let's open this one. So we have two in this package. Okay, this one is again from Lino Perros. This is the packaging. This is white, you guys. I'm so excited for this. It's a shoulder bag, and look how cute this is. This is like proper your, quilted bag, and of course quite spacious. It comes with a strap also. Let me just open it and show you. This is how the long the strap is. मतलब तुम इसको sling bag की तरह भी use कर सकते हो. Of course it's removable. I personally would love to carry it like, like a handbag only, like this one is so cool. And the material again is like quilted wali style mein hai ye. This is so cute and smart at the same time. This is again seems like a dupe of some big designer bag, don't you think? I'll find what I'm talking about on the Pinterest and तुम्हें दिखाऊंगी मैं. But you guys, look at the logo. It says LP, like ऐसे चार उसमें circle में बना हुआ है, and looks so good and it looks so expensive. In fact, तुम देख सकते हो ट्राई ऑन में कैसा लग रहा है. So the next bag is also from the same brand, I think. Yeah, it's from the same brand. It says white but it's beige, and I think मैंने beige देख के ही order किया था. It's a good handbag. ठीक है, ये proper तुम्हारा handbag है, like this, like see, it's quilted and have like gold detailing going on, and I think this would make like a perfect handbag for like an office event, or I am like damn sure that your mother would love it. This is very like mature and classy looking bag because of the size and the design of it. It's like evergreen, it's super classy. Love it. And इसमें इन्होंने लोगो में पूरा like they have written their name on it, Lino Perros. Love it. And देखो इसके साथ ना तुम्हें ये स्ट्रैप भी मिल रहा है, तो तुम इसको नॉर्मली एक शोल्डर बैग की तरह भी कैरी कर सकते हो, बट ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन सी लाइक अ प्रॉपर ट्राई ऑन. एंड मैं तुम्हें अंदर से इसको दिखा. This is how it is from the inside. Like इसमें एक main zipper है, then you have two compartments and बीच में you're getting like one zip. I don't have anything bad to say about this. I really like it. I think it's super classy. But I think मैं अपने स्टाइल के हिसाब से देखूँ, like my personal style, तो उसके से ये मैच नहीं करा. Otherwise, bag is nice. Okay, now let's open this one. By the way, I finally caved and मैंने ना वो brand से purchase किया है. Wait, these are the two bags. I'm actually saving the best bags according to me for the last one, क्योंकि ना मैंने बहुत टाइम से मेरी विश लिस्ट में वो मिराजियो या मिरागियो, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू प्रोनाउंस इट, बट दे मेक लाइक सच क्लासी बैग्स. तो मेरे कब से विश लिस्ट में थे. So I'm gonna open that in last, but let's open this one. Okay, this is from Van Hussein, and I ordered it in like red color because this poppy red is super trendy right now. But I would have to say that I'm disappointed. Okay, I'll show you the picture. This is a picture on Amazon. Okay, it's a good brand, no doubt. Van Hussein hai, of course it is good. Look, but what I saw on the brand was like, I think मुझे size लग रहा है ये कुछ medium size है, and by the way the texture is really nice. हाँ, मेरे को चाहिए था proper like shoulder bag छोटू size में, but this is a medium sized bag and not at all my preferred size of the bag. Plus जो इसका strap है, it's kind of boring for me. So I don't think that I like it, and I am definitely gonna return this one. This one is from Lavie. This is for my college and office. Wow. This is for my college and office girlies for sure. Let's unpack it. Okay. मस्त ये पैकेजिंग में आता है। लावी का तो यू नो इट्स एन ओल्ड ब्रांड, तो इसमें तुम्हें ऐसा कुछ डाउट इतना रहता नहीं है। सो इट्स लाइक देयर स्मॉल टोट साइज बैग, ठीक है। एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, इज द ब्रांडिंग गोइंग ऑन हियर। काफ़ी मस्त इसका टेक्सचर है, यू कैन सी लाइक बीच में कुछ टेक्सचर है, बाकी ये प्लेन ऐसा लेदर टाइप में है। तुम्हें एक बैक में भी पॉकेट मिल रही है। दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम द इनसाइड। इसका एक बड़ा स्ट्रैप भी तुम्हें मिल रहा है साथ में, लाइक यू नो अगर तुम्हें शोल्डर पे हैंग करना हो तो। या प्रिटी बेसिक ऑफिस बैग आई थिंक। इसमें काफ़ी स्पेस है, काफ़ी चीज़ें तुम रख सकते हो। प्रिटी क्यूट राइट, इट्स बेसिक एंड लावी इज सच अ गुड ब्रांड। अभी ये डिस्काउंट पे अवेलेबल है बाय द वे। ओके नाउ लेट्स ओपन दिस बॉक्स, जिसके लिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी। गिव मी अ मिनट। वी हैव दीज 2 bags from Miraggio and I am just so excited. Let's open the small one, okay? You guys, look at this. This is the packaging, like it's the bag that it came in. Again, good. This is so cool. It's like a crocodile texture wala leather hai ye. This is the branding. This is so classy. You know the aesthetic that is going on right now, the mob wife aesthetic. परफेक्ट बट नो उसकी अगर हम उस चीज़ को हटा दें साइड से, अगेन इट्स लाइक सच अ स्टेटमेंट मेकिंग पीस। यू गाइज लुक, ये उसका बॉटम है। एंड लेट मी जस्ट open this for you. This is how it looks from the inside. You have a long strap. This is how it is, 2 compartments, chain in the middle, and then you have this side, 2 side pockets also. Dude, I'm not even kidding, the quality is so good and I think ये काफ़ी मस्त डिस्काउंट पे था. Look, this looks so classy. I am of course gonna show you a proper try on जो थोड़ी suitable सी dress होगी. This dress that I'm wearing is quite a vacation appropriate. I mean, it's a summer dress. This bag deserves its own look and I absolutely love it. ये बहुत ही beautiful tan color में है. Last but not the least of our video, इसके लिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी. एक तो ये ब्लैक है, यू नो इट्स द परफेक्ट कलर. इट विल लाइक फिट माई लैपटॉप परफेक्टली, ठीक है. लेट मी जस्ट ओपन दिस फॉर यू. Cool. This is how it looks. It comes with like a stitch here. This is your proper dream tote bag. I love it. Again, this is if you're a college going person or if you are a like of course office going person, you can definitely go for this. This is so smart. I mean, if you're carrying it like this, again proper try on आने वाला है. Wait, this is the strap that it comes with. Like तुम अगर इसको shoulder bag की तरह carry करना चाहो, यहाँ पे तुम इसको attach कर सकते हो. But seriously, this is so good. मतलब मुझे जितनी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी इस ब्रांड से वो फुलफिल हो गई है मेरी. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दिस इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन अमेजोन एंड काफ़ी मस्त डिस्काउंट्स पे अवेलेबल है. यू कैन ट्राई इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. आई एम श्योर दैट यू वुड लव इट. Okay, this was it about today's video. My room is a mess right now, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to use the links mentioned in the description to shop on Amazon. And yeah, of course जाने से पहले बताना मुझे कि तुम्हारा favorite bag कौन सा था. Of course, give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Don't forget to shop on Amazon and please subscribe to my channel.